Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blissful Oma. Today we'll be making supper edition of ogbono soup. Don't call for me because I said supper. Yeah, it's supper edition of ogbono soup. I'm cooking this against my exam that will be coming up. So in your pot, add your already washed meat, then add your pepper, onion, add your salt, add your seasoning. I'm using no here, so you cover for some time to simmer. If you notice, I didn't add water initially, so I allowed the water in the meat to cook itself. Now I'm adding water to the pot. Add your crayfish, you give it a good stir to combine. In that same pot, add your already washed boneless fish. After adding your boneless washed fish, you give it a good stir, then add your pepper. I'm using Cameroon pepper here. In your pot, add your already grounded ogbono. I grounded it with oil and ogbono. So after some minutes, this is how it's looking like. Give it a good stir to avoid it burning, because if you leave this thing, it will just go and burn. So add your vegetables. Some use bitter leaf, some use ugu, that is spinach. Yeah, so I'm using spinach here. Give it a good stir. Some love this consistency, depending on the consistency that you want. I love my thick, some love theirs a little bit light. If I dish it out, I'll be keeping it in the fridge for future purposes. Bye.